Are you tired of paying over $3,000 per year for ClickFunnels? Do you want to create your own sales funnels without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to unveil the ultimate DIY ClickFunnels alternative that saves you over $3,000 per year. First, let's take a closer look at what ClickFunnels is and why it's so expensive. ClickFunnels is a popular sales funnel builder that allows businesses to create custom landing pages, email sequences, and payment gateways all in one platform. While it's a great tool for businesses looking to streamline their sales process, it comes with a hefty price tag of over $3,000 per year for the basic plan. But what if I told you that you could create a DIY ClickFunnels alternative for a fraction of the cost? Okay, before starting, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. Make sure to stay till the end as I will give you 4 tips to keep in mind in that process. Let's dive into the details. Step 1. Choose a website builder. The first step in creating your own DIY ClickFunnels alternative is to choose a website builder that fits your needs and budget. Some popular options include Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress. These website builders offer a variety of templates and customization options, allowing you to create a professional-looking website without any coding experience. Step 2. Select a page builder. Once you've chosen a website builder, the next step is to select a page builder that integrates with your chosen platform. Some popular options include Elementor, Divi, and Beaver Builder. These page builders allow you to create custom landing pages, sales pages, and thank you pages with ease. Step 3. Set up email marketing. The third step in creating your DIY ClickFunnels alternative is to set up email marketing. While ClickFunnels includes email marketing capabilities, you can use a separate email marketing service such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign. These services offer advanced automation features, allowing you to create custom email sequences that engage your audience and drive conversions. One moment please. Let's spread the knowledge and help others too. If you are finding this content helpful, give it a like and share it with those who can benefit. Don't hesitate to drop your valuable tips, suggestions, or inquiries in the comments section below. I'm eager to hear from you. Step 4. Integrate payment processing. The final step in creating your DIY ClickFunnels alternative is to integrate payment processing. While ClickFunnels includes payment gateway integration, you can use a separate payment processor such as PayPal or Stripe. These payment processors offer secure transaction and easy integration with your website and email marketing service. Let's look at an example of how these tools work together to create a sales funnel. Imagine you're selling an online course on your website. Using your website builder, you can create a custom landing page that promotes your course. You can then use your page builder to create a sales page that highlights the benefits of your course and includes a call to action to purchase. Once a customer purchases your course, you can use your email marketing service to send a thank you email and a series of follow-up emails that provide additional value and upsell opportunities. And with your payment processor, you can securely process payments and manage subscriptions. By using a combination of these tools, you can create a sales funnel that is tailored to your business needs and budget without sacrificing functionality or professionalism. Tips to make the most of your DIY ClickFunnels alternative. Here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Map out your customer journey to ensure a seamless experience from start to finish. 2. Create custom landing pages that are optimized for conversions and reflect your brand's aesthetic. 3. Set up email automation to engage your audience and drive conversions. 4. Continuously test and iterate your sales funnel to optimize for conversions. In conclusion, creating your own DIY ClickFunnels alternative can save you over $3,000 per year and still allow you to create professional-looking sales funnels that drive conversions. By using a combination of website builders, page builders, email marketing service, and payment processors, you can create a sales funnel that meets your business needs and budget. Remember to map out your customer journey, create custom landing pages, set up email automation, and continuously test and iterate your sales funnel for optimal results. So if you're ready to unleash the power of DIY ClickFunnels alternative, Start exploring these tools and see what works best for your business. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can create a sales funnel that drives conversions and saves you thousands of dollars per year. If you found this content helpful, please smash that like button and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. See you in the next one.